Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a deals and discount bots in Pabbly Chatflow. And in this video, I'm going to show a WhatsApp chatbot which I have created to give deals and discounts to my customers inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we just have to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any customer will send it any text message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply them automatically on my behalf. So now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see this is the flow of a deals and discounts bot that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So to test this WhatsApp chatbot, I just have to open my WhatsApp account, and inside this particular chat, when you will see that as soon as I will send this keyword offers, this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Hey there, I am Bright Mart's deal spot. Want to check today's offer or apply a coupon? Choose an option for alerts. So you can see I have got these 2 different options to select from. So as I want to get today's deal, so I will click on this particular button, today's deals. After that you will see this chatbot has sent me another message. Here are today's top deals, flash 30, get 30% off on all orders above $4.99, and a second one is this weekend 50. So I can select any of these following offers which I want to. So I will select this particular offer for myself. After that you will see that here this bot has sent me the particular keyword, coupon copied, weekend 50, enjoy rupees 50 off, no minimum order, valid only for this weekend. So you can see I have also got all the details about this particular coupon. Now if I want to shop with this particular coupon, then I just have to click on this button given here. After that, this bot will send me the link of the website from where I can shop with the help of this particular coupon. So here you can see I have also received this website. This means that this WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. Now I can buy things from Bright Mart at this 50% discount. So this was the tutorial of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself. But before we start to create this WhatsApp chatbot, let me help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here you can see we have got these 2 different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button given here. But before we move further, I would like to discuss with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of the community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button. After that, I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this Access Now button. This will get me directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given on the right side here. And you can select any of these 2 different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has this following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the description box of this video. We have added links of separate videos there. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, you have to click on this flows, and from here you have to select this flows. After that, you will get directed on this flow builder page where you can see these are all the flows that I have created for myself, and this is the exact same flow that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this flow from here, as I am going to create this exact same WhatsApp chatbot with you guys. So here our flow is updated successfully. Now to start creating a new flow, I will click on this add flow button given on the right side here, and this will get me directed on this particular page where you can see this trigger button is visible to us. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. But before we work on this trigger button, first of all I will give a meaningful name to my WhatsApp chatbot as this Chatbot for deals and discounts. Now we will work on this trigger button. So for this trigger event, you can see when I will click on this drop down, this is the list of trigger events with the help of which I can kickstart my chatbot. But today I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event because I want to kickstart my chatbot with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this box. So to enter keyword, you just have to type down that particular keyword, and when you will press this enter button, your keyword will get added successfully. So I will add one more keyword, this steals, and again I will press this enter button and this keyword is also got added successfully. Now for this enter regex box, you can either enter the keywords or you can enter the regex to kickstart your WhatsApp chatbot. So as I have already entered this keyword, so I will skip this regex for now. But this regex stands for regular expressions, which is a universal code with the help of which we can extract keywords from a particular paragraph. Now we will move towards my first action step. So for my first action step, I want to send a welcome message to my customer. So to frame that, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles to make sure that this particular text button follows the keyword sent by my customer, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter the welcome message for my customer. Now just below this welcome message, I will add these two different buttons for my customer to select from. That's why inside this first button, I will enter this text today's deals, and inside this second button, I will enter this particular text subscribe to alerts. Now we will set up these buttons one by one. So first of all, let us set up this particular button today's deals. So I want that whenever any customer clicks on this button, I want to send them all the deals that I am going to offer today. So for that, I will again drag in this text button. I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this message where I have added these two today's top offers, and just below this particular message, I will add two different buttons in which I will copy the code of these coupons for my customer to select to let me know that they want to go with this particular coupon code. So inside this first button, I will enter this flash 30, and inside this second button, I will enter this weekend 50. Now we will set up this particular coupon codes. Now I want that if my customers select this particular code, I want to send them the details about this particular code. So to frame that, I will again drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. So first of all, I will copy this and I will paste it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter the text inside both of these buttons. In the first button, I will enter the details about this flash 30 coupon code, and in the second button, I will enter the details about this weekend 50 coupon code. So here I have entered the text inside both of this enter messages box. Now just below this particular text, I will add one button. So in the first button, I will enter this text shop now, and this button also, I will enter this particular text shop now. Now I want that whenever my customer got their coupon code, if they want to shop from my website, then after that, I want to send them a my website link. So to frame that, I will drag in this text button. I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter the link of my website inside this particular message. So you can see here I have added link of my organization, but if you are using this chatbot in real world, then you can add the link of your website in place of this particular website here. So as you can see, as soon as they will click on this button, they will automatically get directed to this particular message with the link of my website so that they can shop for themselves. Now this first button of ours is complete. So let us work on this subscribe to alerts button. Now for this also, first of all, I will drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text where you can see I have written this: awesome, we'll send you new updates whenever a new deal drops. How often would you like to receive offers? And just below this particular text, I will add these three different buttons for my customer to select from. Now I will quickly enter the text inside all of these buttons. There is a slight change. I have not added 3 buttons. I have added only 2 buttons, this daily deals and only big sales. Now I will frame these buttons one by one. So for them, first of all, I will drag in this text button. I will just copy this text button from here as I want to enter the text for both of these following buttons. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter the message inside these respective buttons. So here I have added text inside both of my buttons. Now just below them also, I will add this particular button shop now, so that my customer can click on them if they want to shop from my website. Now I will connect these buttons also with this particular link of my website. So here you can see I have connected them, and with this I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot. And now I just have to click on this save button to save this flow, otherwise this flow will not work as expected. So here you can see I have successfully completed our creation. Now we will go on my WhatsApp account, and there we will test if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. So this is my WhatsApp account, and in here I just have to send implement this keyword deals, after that you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. This means that this WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. Now I just have to interact with this WhatsApp chatbot if I want to get deals for myself. So this is how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to clone this flow, then for that you just have to copy the link of this flow from the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.